convert your comments into an actual functional code, well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created a video on how to install Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So we have this new file, right? I have this new C# file with me. You can just simply open up any file that you want, Python, Java, according to the extension that you had installed. So just simply select, so you can just simply type in any comments that you like. So I have this comment with me. This is a small Boolean code of sum or finding an even and odd. So what you can do is you can just simply select Ctrl plus A and then select Ctrl plus K. So what you can do is just simply type in and then just simply select enter after typing this right here. And once that is done, it should properly create a code. So what our comment was checking if it is even or odd. So we have created an even or odd number right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Want to know how to make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.